everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to talk about how to efficiently delete unwanted emails. Let's take a look at a Hotmail inbox that I created a while back that I really don't use very much. It's hit with a lot of spam. And let's see what we would want to do if we would want to delete a bunch of the emails that are on it. So the first technique that you're going to want to know about is using the Shift key. And the way you use the Shift key is you highlight an email you don't want, like that one. Then you hold down the Shift key. It's on the lower left-hand corner of your keyboard. And then you select another email you don't want. And if you noticed, all the emails in between are now highlighted. So all I have to do if I want to delete all of these emails is to click on the trash can right here. And they all go away. Now, if I want to delete this email, but I want to keep this email, and I want to keep this email, and I want to delete this one, I would hold down the Control key. It has the letter CTRL on it, and it's also in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. And if I push the Control key down and left-click that one, you'll notice how the first email and the fourth email are selected. And then if I keep the Control key held down and I click on that one, then I'm going to highlight only the emails that I want to delete, and then all I have to do to delete them is hit the trash can button up here on the top, and that will delete only the emails that I have selected. So using the Control key and the Shift key are the two techniques you're going to use that will enable you to get rid of all of the emails that you want to more efficiently. Now, the other thing that you can do to get rid of emails is to highlight one of the emails. Let's say I want to get rid of everything in my inbox. One of the ways that I would do that would be to highlight one of the emails by left-clicking on it, and then hold down the Control key and then tap A. That will highlight every email in the inbox. And I suppose, yep, there it goes. As you can see, they're all highlighted right now. And if I wanted to get rid of all of them, all I would have to do would be to click on the trash can key, and they would all go away. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful. If so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody is in the Memphis, Germantown, Bartlett, downtown, Collierville, or Midtown area and you need in-home computer repair assistance, please give me a ring at 901-830-4362. I can come to your home and fix your computer while you wait. And as always, please stay safe.